surprise. Come here. What Santa brought? To Buffy from Santa. Okay. Open it up and see what it is. Turn to look at Daddy. What's it, Buffy? Oh, what's it, Buffy? Bone? You think she'll like them?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty nice, huh?
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give them to her.
What in the world did you get this for?
She always wanted to work for the game. Turn it on.
How's it work?
You like it?
With batteries?
And off of the car and electrically.
So that'd be, you got AM, FM radio, and TV?
Yep.
Open up. Open up.
Wow. Be good for camping.
Or I think you can run it off the cigarette lighter in the car, and the kids could watch TV in the car.
Did you get reception?
Here. Well, you can try it.
Did you get an adapter for the cigarette lighter?
Yep. Do you like it?
This is a power cord.
Just a minute, Chris. Just a minute, Chris. Where's another little red box around here? Chris, come here.
I see that.
Somebody, did you get this from Dirk?
Yep.
This goes in the, this goes in the cigarette lighter?
I guess so. You're supposed to be able to run it off the car. I think it goes in the cigarette lighter. What, honey?
Which I know what it is.
What?
Bet you he doesn't.
Shoes.
Uh-uh.
Close.
Fastback shoes.
Close.
Look at that. One of those. Those are socks.
Warm too.
Huh?
Warm too.
You only, I've only got 2 feet like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
Corey, whose is that for? Dad. No, Corey, those are for you, for Daddy. Remember? Yeah, they are. Remember you bought those for Daddy.
No, Matt got them.
Matt got some too. Go give them to Daddy. Chris, where's your present to Dad? Chris, yours
You open my present.
under Santa Bear.
We'll open them later.
Chris, it's under over here, Chris. Christopher, look at me. It's over there. Oh no!
Here, go get that green thing on top.
Chad, bring the green thing in from the kitchen.
What?
The
It's on
thing Katie gave me.
up on the shelf, Chad. The thing that Katie gave him. That turns out the M&M. You turn it. Daddy, you better open up after you get the M&M. Better open up Christopher's gift.
Chris, you okay?
Keep on laying them on me, Dad. Dad. Don't put owls off.
Oh, we'll get them out of here.
No, I don't want these.
Corey, it's Daddy's
Corey!
present. No.
Let's go get me.
There's an M&M.
Is the snowmobile suit in here?
Yep. There's a bigger M&M.
Just a minute. You'll see, Corey.